What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. Today I have two new job leads for you guys. These are going to be flexible remote work from home jobs where you can work from just about anywhere. Also, it's flexible in terms of the schedule. You get to set your own hours, so you can do this part-time or full-time. You get to choose. And even if you don't have enough time to do, a traditional part-time job, which would require about 4 to 5 hours per day, 5 days per week, you can actually do these. You can do, an hour per day, 2 hours per day in the middle of the night, whenever you are available. So these are really flexible jobs. So I'll get into these two jobs in just a bit, but these are also newly posted jobs, so be sure to stick around to hear about those. But just before we dive into that, just want to remind you guys about my other channel, the Work From Home channel. This is where I'm currently posting brand new job leads every single day, brand new companies. So if you are interested in remote work from home jobs, this is primarily why you are subscribed to this channel. Be sure to go over to that channel, because here I'm posting daily job leads, brand new job leads every single day. And these will range from data entry type of jobs, jobs with flexible shifts, customer care type of jobs, technical support type of jobs, also live chat jobs, insurance jobs, sales jobs, transcription related jobs, jobs that are beginner friendly, that provide you with paid training and don't require you to have a college degree or any experience. So if you are looking for a remote work from home job, be sure to go over and subscribe to this channel, and be sure to tap the notification bell when you do subscribe, because that way you'll get the updates, or you'll get notified every single day when I post a brand new job lead. Also want to quickly remind you guys of the pro resume templates right here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. 3 resume templates, 3 matching cover letters, 3 matching reference pages, and 3 matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying for. So be sure to check out this resource if you are looking for help with your resume, or you're looking for a professionally done resume that is also optimized for the ATS system. But with all that covered, let's dive right into the job leads for today. So the first job lead is going to be at this company. It's Verifast. You may have never heard about them before, but currently they're looking for phone agents. Now, the good thing about this role is that it's very flexible. So if you look at the professional requirements here, all you really need is to be able to consistently commit to doing at least 10 hours per week. So if you want to work, 5 days per week, that's going to be 2 hours per day. Also, they're looking for people who can work half their time on evenings and weekends. So if you only have downtime in the evenings or on weekends, then this would be the perfect job, because again, you can set your own schedule, you choose when you want to do it, and weekends and evenings are available. So you can do a few hours every evening or a few hours on the weekends, and you can make some extra money here. Now, as for other requirements, you don't need a college degree. You also don't really need any experience. All you need is a USB headset, high-speed internet connection, a laptop, and core responsibilities here. This just lists some of the things that you may be required to do depending on the assignment that you're given. So it could be cold calling, or it could be verification calls, or it could be appointment setting, or it could be doing survey questionnaires, customer service overflow. It just really depends on the assignment, but that's what you'll be doing. So again, really flexible, choose your own schedule. And you guys have probably never heard about this company before, but I was able to find them on Glassdoor. So they're listed on Glassdoor 3.3 out of 5 stars. Not a lot of info here. They only have 36 reviews. We can actually still see what people had to say about working here. If we go to salaries, since they didn't list a rate of pay there, maybe we could find out how much people actually make here. So for a customer service representative, and by the way, this job is a phone agent, so we could say customer service, it would be along the same lines, because they don't have any reported salaries for a phone agent here. So customer service representative, they make anywhere from $35,000 to $51,000 per year, or just about $42,000 on average. But this would be working full time. So if you're only doing, 2 hours per day, then you're going to earn significantly less. But this should give you an idea of, how much they're actually paying here. Now, the next job lead is going to be from Working Solutions. This is a company that I've covered before. They have a recently posted job at Senior Medical Care Sales and Support. This was posted probably just 2 days ago or a day ago. And this is also a really flexible job. So flexible opportunities, you create your own schedule. The available times are Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So once you can work within those times, it's flexible. Also, they're looking for people that are available on the weekend as well. So if you're only available on Saturdays or Sundays, then you could still work here. Pay is not that great. It's only $14 to $14.50 per hour, but they also give incentives so you could earn slightly more here. And as for skills, not really a whole lot here. This is basic skills that anyone would have, so you can apply here. It doesn't really require any experience. As for tech requirements, you should have all these already: internet connection, high-speed internet connection, a computer, wired USB headset with microphone. If you don't have that, link down below to some remote work from home equipment that I use that are really good, that are inexpensive, so you can check those out as well. But this is another flexible job that you can do at any time and doesn't require a college degree and doesn't require any experience. Also, they don't do interviews here. So if you fear doing interviews, that's not gonna be a problem. The hiring process here is a bit different. So you create your profile, you add your experience, you take some assessments, which basically help to determine if you'd be a good fit for the job. They scan your PC for viruses or to make sure that you have the requirements for the job, and then you choose the opportunity. And right now they have 3 opportunities right here, so you get to choose whichever one you want to work on, and then you can go at it. But it is really flexible. Now, if you've never heard about Working Solutions before, company that I've covered here, very popular company, overall rating 3.9 out of 5 stars, so fairly good. Over 1,000 reviews here, so you can definitely see what a lot of people had to say about this job. And if we go and look at some of the salaries, the salary for most of the jobs here are going to be customer care related. So based on over 200 salaries, pay here is around $36,000 per year on average, but range is $32,000 to $42,000. Now remember, the $14 per hour was base. There was also incentives that you could earn, so that would bring it up to more, but range $32,000 to $42,000 per year. So if you're looking for something flexible where you get to set your own schedule, you can work at nights or weekends, or whenever you want, these are 2 jobs that you should look into, or 2 companies. So one is Working Solutions, link down below, and also Verifast, link down below. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.